Amid concerns over the future of the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, questions have been raised following the resignation of a key official. Despite these challenges, the Commission's leadership remains optimistic about its continued work and supports the creation of a new body with broader powers to address corruption. Harley Valbuena tells us more.
After Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Boying Remulla's pronouncement that the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI might last only 1 to 2 months, doubts on ICI's future are now being raised. This is also after the resignation of former Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Rogelio Babe Singson as ICI Commissioner. But ICI Chairperson Andres Reyes Jr. believes that the Commission will stay for the next 2 years.
I think we're good for 2 years. We will work very hard until whatever is the date of our existence.
However, Reyes said it is also okay to them should ICI stint be shortened than what is expected, as he expresses confidence in the push for the creation of an Independent People's Commission, and President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. already called on Congress to include this in their priorities.
That's good news. Your improvement of the former commission. More powers.
Once established, the Independent People's Commission will be given the powers to issue subpoena, freeze assets, cite in contempt individuals, cancel PRC licenses, grant witness immunity and protection, release lookout orders or recommend hold departure orders, and blacklist contractors. ICI Special Advisor and former PNP Chief Rodolfo Azorin Jr. meanwhile assured they will just continue fulfilling their mandate as they still have a heavy load of documents to study and investigate.
We have to focus dun sa pagre-review ng mga documents, yung voluminous document na itinurn over ng CIDG and NBI. Of the 80 na priority cases involving yung top 15 na contractors that were identified by the President,
Singson, on the other hand, declined to answer questions from the media as he renders his final days in the commission before the effectivity of his resignation on December 15. The ICI meanwhile praised the surrender to the NBI of contractor Sara Diskaya and the cancellation of passport of resigned Representative Zaldico.
We're being blessed by God.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.